I have a couple of items that I'd like to share with you guys, which are my birthday gifts. So these ones are from the cap guy, and they're just from him alone. So I'm probably gonna make a video and you're gonna be like, oh, this is from that. So yeah, catch on. Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Masa guys, my name is here. And January is my birthday, the 1st of January to be specific. Was my birthday. Well, it is my birthday. I mean, that's next year. So if you do want to gift me, please don't forget to use super thanks. Don't forget to watch the ads too. I'd appreciate that. Those are the gifts I want. I'm kidding. I mean, if you want to send through money, let's do this. Where do I start? So ooh, these I got myself, right? I got myself these. These are some Dior sandals. I was gonna make a proper unboxing. Jesus Christ. I haven't worn these and my toes ain't cute enough for me to wear them, y'all. I haven't done my toes in a while, so ain't no way in hell. Nobody's about to convince me to wear these. Please, I beg, don't try even. Oh, let me put that back because I don't want to have a lot of work when I'm done here. Like I said, I won't be wearing stuff in this video. Reason being, I already won a couple of these things, and for that reason, these are Gucci's. So these were part of my gift. I'll show you guys a pic of me wearing them, and boy, was it not a bad idea to wear them to wine tasting. Because your girl almost fell. I did get a bit tipsy, guys. I'm like, wait, please, no matter what happens, don't invite me falling. So I need to put these back properly. There's like a number of shoes. I'm opening boxes here. I really wish I could show you guys the whole thing. And then there's these Jordans. I feel like I'm being so fast because the sun is about to go down and I'm using natural light right now. There's another Nike. So these are the 90s. I already won these, y'all. I already won these to my vacation. I'm making this video post vacation. These are so cute. I'm gonna put like pictures of when I wore the whole thing so you can just get to appreciate it on me, right? So these are TNs. I just shown you all the AirJordans, right? That's what I had shown y'all. And these also these little girls. Ooh, where do I open you? So these came in before my vacation and I practically wore them. So guys, my toes are not cute right now, but I'll try to take a video so y'all can just appreciate what it looks like. Cause girl needs to go for a pedi appointment, and that is that. Oh, that is not that. Let me tell you something. Oh, let me show you something. I think last but not least on things that I can do today is this. Oh, I'm lying. There's something else. Okay, so there's this Christian Dior hat. I don't know if you all have seen, but I also had bought my. Okay, the problem is the wig. I had also bought myself. It's so cute. I really like it. So Kevin bought me stuff that is. Some of it is like stuff on my wish list, but like some of it is like stuff that he liked for me. So again, I liked it. Anyway, let me show you all what something. Before I show you guys this, let me tell you a whole story. I need to tell you a whole story for this one. Okay. So as you know, I've been doing this, I think we're clocking 2 years in a few days. I'm kidding, in March. So last year I finally started getting some PR work and I had received people whom wanted me to do a little promo video for them. Neil's promo video, I think you'll remember it. I'll try to put a little screenshot of it here. And then there was a couple of other 3 people were in the talks of, you know, doing this, and I was so excited. And one of the people, I don't know if you all have seen, you may have or not, I had asked you all if you'd like to see a review or unboxing of a handbag. And there's this other handbag I had wanted so bad. So when that lady said she'd want me to review one of her bags, I was like, whoa! Opportunity, hi! So then I was really excited. This lady starts this thing where, here's my thing. If we're using a messaging app, right? Especially one that is normally not professional. I get it if we're gonna be asking each other small questions over and over. But if you're gonna email me, I want you to be direct to the point so that I can also get direct to the point. I normally feel like with email, we just need to have brief conversations and be done. So this lady starts talking to me like we're using WhatsApp, and it was really getting to me. Like I was looking at getting annoyed because I'm like, does she want to do this or not? And at the same time, I'm like a little too excited. So she's just delaying stuff, you know? Okay, old lady finally was like, cool, do you send your email, your postal address so we can ship the stuff, yada yada yada. Okay, cool. So I sent her the stuff. But then I'm like, since she wants me to do this within a month of it arriving, let me just give her a heads up. My tax man is crazy, all right? So please also make an invoice for me and try to minimize the price so that I don't incur much on my end or clearing when I get that thing, like clearance fees and stuff, right? The lady goes, she doesn't want her stuff to get confiscated, yada yada yada. I'm like, ma'am, who said anything about it? It doesn't get confiscated. Nothing gets confiscated. It's just that they want me to pay clearance fee. They want me to pay custom duty on the stuff, which is weird because I don't even buy it. So I just give you heads up, like these guys are gonna want that. So at least please make me an invoice and reduce the amount of how much your thing costs, because I'm not about to pay too much money for your thing. Lady then decides if things are gonna be confiscated, she doesn't want to give me stuff. I'm like, hey, whatever. So I act like it sounds like it's gonna rain. I act like I'm not really bothered by the whole thing, but I was so hurt. I really like the handbag. I was very specific. Like, it's those moments when you've been eyeing a handbag and then suddenly somebody comes through with offering you that opportunity and you're like, and then they act funny and then you're like, ugh, whatever, but deep down you're like, ugh. So that's what happened. Anyway, as part of my gifts, alright, Kev guy decided to get me the handbag. You guys, y'all don't understand. I love this handbag so bad. Like, of all the stuff that I received, and there's like more, I'm yet to do a try on haul, y'all, okay? But I can't do it in this video because I don't want the lighting right now is bad. Like I told you, I'm using natural lighting and the sun is about to disappear. So this is the handbag. I can't do a try on haul today. I'll do it. You're gonna see the video. I'll do it tomorrow. Then you guys are gonna see the video the following week. Because I need to have proper lighting, unlike these which I can just show here. You understand? So please bear with me. And this is the baby, and you guys, you have no idea how happy I was. Like, he got me many stuff, right? But like this just meant so much to me, because the way that woman hurt me, you guys. Maybe I'm being a baby about it, but like this is like my favorite gift. Like it's like those moments when you wanted something and you were hoping you could just get it yourself, and then you still get it at the end of the day, just in a different way. And I'm like, she seemed like she was gonna be a headache, but I'm glad I just got to get it and without a headache. And I love how these guys always come having covered up the stuff. Ooh, I'm not even doing much showing you all the handbags, but This is how it looks inside. This is its little I never know what to call this. Is it called a handle? I never know what to call it. A handbag. I feel like a handle would be this, but like this is that other item that goes over here. I have no idea what it's called, but yeah, this is it. So it comes inside. I don't know, I find this bag so cute. So this is, it has that little zipper inside and all that, and then it looks like this here. Ooh, I thought I was showing you. Looks like that. So yeah, this is my favorite gift. Like I love the shoes. I love stuff I bought myself. I love stuff my other friend bought me. But like this is like, I don't know, I think it's because it now has like sentimental value. So some other day I was so sad, I just took it and held it, and I just had so much peace. I don't know. I love this handbag. It's so weird. Guys, let me stop my video here. I'm just gonna show you guys how those little slippers look. But other than that, I'm gonna do where I actually try on clothes on a different video, because the sun is setting and I need proper lighting to do this. Thank you all so much for watching. Please, and I say once again, if you do want to gift me, feel free to hit my email, hit my DM. We can discuss how you can do this, but above all else, kindly watch the ads, okay? I'm still very much working on what to offer on the membership. And to people who keep talking about OnlyFans, come on guys, we're going into the 2nd year. By now you guys know I don't do that. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I highly appreciate your time. And can we get it to 10,000 views? Am I stretching it? Should I just say 5? But 10 sounds good. 10 sounds good. Especially because you guys are gonna like the next video after this one, so you do want to subscribe because it has a lot of bikini items in it. So yeah, you want to subscribe. Bye y'all. Thank you all so much for watching.